Well, hey guys, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I will be participating in a lantern decorating collaboration for the fall, and this is being hosted by Anna over at the Grace Life Home Decor. Our gracious host is a budget-friendly channel with DIY and home decor from the Dollar Tree, thrifting and hauls, and tablescapes. Very exciting channel. She does a little bit of everything, very friendly, and has a great platform for reaching out and helping other YouTubers. And my co-hosts will also be in my description bar below. They're all going to bring it, guys, so make sure that you go and visit each and every one of their channels. The host, and the playlist link will be in the description box below. So guys, I'm going to be using, for my first lantern decorating design, I'm going to be using a placemat that I DIY'd along with this Luminara candle. I'm just going to wrap some leftover souder feathers in there and add in some pine cones. And I'm doing this because I wanted to go with sort of neutrals and a dark woodsy color. The lantern I'm using is a really pretty sort of distressed neutral finish to it, and I'm gonna keep this really simple for people that don't like a lot of vibrant colors for fall and they like to just go with those more calmer neutral tones. And to this I'm just gonna add in a little bit of picks on the bottom just to bring in some leaves and grains that are great for this time of year. Still a little bit on the woodsy tone side. And I'm just going to add in a little bit of picks just to break it up on top of the leaves. And after that, I'm just going to go in with a little bit more cones, those pine cones with that pretty dark woodsy color with that variation. And I'm going to add in one of these little pumpkins that I picked up from Kirkland's this year. It's wrapped in corn husk, it's natural, it's beautiful. And I think that's it. Sometimes less is more, and I think I'm going to stop right here because the wrapped candle with the souder feathers was a lot. So I want to basically edit it down, and I hope you like this one. And I think I'm liking the way it looks, and I'm gonna stop right there. For my next one, I'm going in with some more vibrant colors just to make it really pop for traditionalists that really love all of those bright oranges and yellows and reds and really wines and browns that are so cute. And I swapped out my candle for this cute little floral arrangement. I threw some pine cones in there where it's clear. I have this DIY cone tree from last year with perfect fall colors that I love. And then I added in some rust-colored leaf placemats with some really pretty, vibrant fall florals. And I think it's looking so bright and pretty. Last thing I added in was a pumpkin, and it's just one of those wood pumpkins, and it has the little leather in the front with the little nail head trim, and I think it's so stinking cute. And it just brings in a little bit of an element from the previous lantern that with that dark woodsy look, and I think it's so cute. So I hope you like both of these. Anna, thank you so much for the invite from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And please check out her link and her channel and all of my co-hosts. Guys, they're going to be bringing some great inspiration. They are great creators, so don't forget to check them out and the playlist. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the bell when you subscribe so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. And thank you all for watching.